Okay guys, so this is the new Apple iOS 5 for the iPod, iPhone, and the iPad. Here's an iPhone now running the software. One of the coolest things about it is the new feature here, the notification center. All the notifications are now one centralized location, as with the older version of the iOS, there was really nothing similar to this. So now you can look at all your missed calls, missed emails, missed text messages. You also have your built-in widgets that you can add and customize down here. For now I just have the weather widget and the stocks widget in there now. But from your missed messages you can go directly into the message and reply. Before, notifications used to be really annoying on the iPhone. They used to pop up, as you can see right there. I just got a text message and it popped right at the top of the screen there, the little white bar, versus the big blob that used to pop up on the screen. Usually if you're on the lock screen here and you have a message, it will pop up here. So we'll come back to that later. When you receive a text message or any type of message, it just pops right here on your home screen. And you can either slide to reply on the bottom, or you can slide right on the top like that and open up your message and start replying. So you no longer have to, from the lock screen, slide it open and actually open your messages. You can do it all from the lock screen now. Or if you're already in there, you can just slide down, obviously, from the top, and you can go into your messages on your message center. So there we go. Okay, so another really cool feature is called Reader. So if you're in Safari and you're browsing through like an article on the internet, instead of having all the clutter and everything around to read the article, you can just take the actual article content out by pressing Reader, and it just removes just the text of the article so that you can read the article clean without any distractions. If you don't have time to finish it, you can actually tap here and add that article to your reading list and come back and read the article later. Another feature that I really enjoy is actually called define. Say you're in the message and there's a word that you need to define. Let's find a word first. So here's a word here, obviously. So you type obviously, and on top of obviously pops up define. And then if you tap define, you get a nice integrated dictionary that pops up and actually defines the word for you. So you can actually do that to any word. It doesn't have to be in mail, it could be in different apps like Messages or Safari, but you can actually hold something down instead of just copy and paste. You now have define. Also a cool feature from the lock screen, if you double tap the home button, your photo application will come up and you can actually open it right from the lock screen. If you're someone who likes to hold your phone to the side and snap your pictures, you can actually now use the volume up button to snap the photo, which is pretty cool. You can hold it sideways and tap the volume up button and snap your photo. So that's a really cool feature. If you were to open up your camera roll, you can now take photos and edit them right from the camera roll. The first feature, you can rotate your photos right in the camera app. You can enhance the feature like on iPhoto, where it automatically changes the color of the photo and enhances the colors. You can do red eye reduction, where if there's a person in the photo with red eye, you can tap the area that you like to reduce. You can crop the photo, crop it down to where you'd like it to be, and crop it and save it. Another cool feature in photos, if you like to use Twitter, you can actually tweet the photo right from the photo application, like this. There you go. Photo sent off to Twitter. Another cool feature that the phone has is newsstand, which is not yet available. Newsstand will be coming up when the actual iOS is available to everyone. Right now, newsstand's not ready, but once it is ready, that's where it'll be similar to iBooks, where you can go and get magazines and newspaper subscriptions and put them right onto your iPhone. Another really cool feature that the phone has is reminders. Reminders is basically self-explanatory. You can set a reminder to remind you to do a certain thing when you arrive at home or when you leave a location. So you can say, remind me to call the wife when I leave work, and once you leave the perimeter around your work, the iPhone automatically notifies you to call your wife. So that's a pretty cool feature that they've added in. That is pretty much the gist of it. You have your notification center realigned and all the cool features that they've brought onto the iOS. So there you have it. That is the iPhone iOS 5.